In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Life Balance Smart Scale. First, scan the QR code in the product manual or on this video to download the free MovingLife app. Make sure you insert the 3 AAA batteries included with your scale. Step onto the scale with bare feet and wait for your reading to appear. The app will connect easily with Bluetooth, and there you can view detailed body analysis and progress tracking. It analyzes your BMI, body fat, muscle, bone mass, hydration, and more. The scale supports multiple devices and has a user-friendly interface. All your health data is just one tap away. The high-precision strain gauge sensors give accurate analysis. Take your health into your own hands and choose a healthier you.